569 species in genus Oxalis. All about Oxalis, the shamrock's playful cousin. Hi there, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Oxalis, a genus of flowering plants known for their delightful clover-shaped leaves and vibrant blooms. Often mistaken for their close relative, the shamrock, Trifolium, Oxalis boasts a diverse range of species with unique characteristics. Let's answer some common questions and explore what makes these little charmers so special. What is Oxalis? Oxalis, with over 500 species, is a vibrant member of the Oxalidaceae family. Native to South America and South Africa, they've found homes around the globe. These charming plants come in various sizes, from tiny creeping varieties perfect for terrariums to taller, upright ones ideal for container gardens. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Is Oxalis poisonous to cats and dogs? Unfortunately, yes. Oxalis contains oxalic acid, which can be toxic to both cats and dogs if ingested in large quantities. Symptoms of oxalic acid poisoning include vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and mouth irritation. If you suspect your pet has eaten Oxalis, contact your veterinarian immediately. How to care for Oxalis? Caring for Oxalis is relatively simple. Here's a quick rundown. Light. Most Oxalis varieties prefer bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, especially if your plant is outdoors. Water. Keep the soil evenly moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. During dormancy, reduce watering significantly. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is ideal. Opt for a mix formulated for African violets or cacti. Temperature. Oxalis thrives in moderate temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid extreme heat or cold. Fertilizer. A light feeding of a balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season is sufficient. How to propagate Oxalis? There are two main ways to propagate Oxalis. Division. During repotting, you can carefully divide the bulbs or tubers. Each section should have a few healthy eyes or buds. Pot the divisions in separate containers with fresh potting mix. Bulbs/tubers. Plant Oxalis bulbs or tubers about 1 inch deep in pots with well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and wait patiently for shoots to emerge. What to plant with Oxalis? Due to their preference for moist, well-draining soil, Oxalis can be excellent companions for ferns, spider plants, and other shade-loving plants. Do Oxalis bulbs multiply? Yes, Oxalis bulbs multiply naturally over time. They produce new bulblets or tubers which will eventually sprout new plants. Is Oxalis a perennial? Some Oxalis varieties are true perennials, meaning they come back year after year in climates with mild winters. However, other varieties are more like tinder bulbs and may not survive freezing temperatures. When do Oxalis go dormant? Many Oxalis varieties enter a dormant period during the winter months. This is characterized by slowed growth and potential leaf loss. Don't be alarmed. Simply reduce watering and wait for new growth to emerge in spring. Do Oxalis grow back? Yes, if your Oxalis has gone dormant, it will likely grow back in spring with proper care. Just ensure the bulbs or tubers haven't rotted and resume regular watering as new growth appears. Do you soak Oxalis bulbs before planting? Soaking Oxalis bulbs before planting isn't strictly necessary, but it can help them sprout a bit faster. Simply soak the bulbs in lukewarm water for a few hours before planting. How to plant Oxalis bulbs in pots. Choose a pot with drainage holes and fill it with well-draining potting mix. Plant the Oxalis bulbs about 1 inch deep, pointy side up. Water the pot gently and place it in a location with bright, indirect sunlight. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. How to plant Oxalis bulbs indoors. Follow the same steps as planting in pots, ensuring the chosen location receives adequate indirect sunlight. You can plant multiple bulbs in a single pot to create a fuller display. Is Oxalis clover? While the clover-like leaves of some Oxalis varieties bear a resemblance to true clover, Trifolium species, they are not directly related. Oxalis belongs to the Oxalidaceae family, while clover belongs to the Fabaceae family, and though both are known for their shamrock-inspired three-leaved variations, Oxalis boasts a wider variety of shapes and colors, making them a captivating addition to any garden or indoor space. Why is my Oxalis drooping? There are a few reasons why your Oxalis might be drooping. Here are some possibilities. Overwatering. The most common culprit is overwatering. Oxalis prefers moist, but not soggy soil. Check the drainage of your pot and adjust your watering frequency accordingly. Lack of light. If your oxalis isn't receiving enough bright, indirect sunlight, it might become leggy and droopy. Try relocating it to a brighter spot. Nutrient deficiency. A lack of nutrients can also cause drooping. During the growing season, a light feeding of a balanced fertilizer can help. Pests or diseases. While uncommon, oxalis can be susceptible to mealybugs or fungal diseases. Inspect your plant closely for signs of infestation and treat accordingly. How to get rid of oxalis, outdoors only. If oxalis becomes an unwanted guest in your outdoor garden, removing it requires some persistence. Here are a few methods. Hand pulling. For small infestations, you can simply hand pull the plants, ensuring you remove the entire bulb or tuber to prevent regrowth. Herbicides. As a last resort, consider using a selective herbicide labeled for controlling broadleaf weeds. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully and avoid using herbicides near desirable plants. Important note, these removal methods are intended for outdoor use only. Herbicides should never be used indoors. Conclusion. With their playful foliage and charming blooms, oxalis make delightful additions to any home. Their diverse range of colors, sizes, and easygoing nature makes them perfect for gardeners of all levels. So, why not add a touch of whimsy to your space and bring home a little piece of the oxalis magic?